name's Rick Cronholm. I'm the president of Johansen Anderson Heating, Air Conditioning, Refrigeration. We're about 50% of our business is residential, 50% is commercial and industrial. Yeah, we have 16 service technicians. We primarily do service and replacement and maintenance agreements. I think Jonas helps me from the job costing standpoint. I'm a numbers guy, I've always been a numbers guy, and I love to evaluate and make my decisions based on numbers. One of the reasons we originally came to Jonas was we liked the way the union costing worked and all the different codes we could set up for all the different union categories. So that was a big determination in selecting Jonas. And now we can use it to the job costing part of it. I drill down from residential heating calls, residential air conditioning calls, commercial refrigeration calls, and I use the different job costing methods to determine our profitability on all those levels. I use the executive dashboard a lot, almost on a daily basis. I look on that for month to month to see how we're doing as kind of a scorecard. Very rarely will we get into those big projects, but when we do, what's nice about because we do the weekly payroll, and we can take those weekly payroll reports and compare it to what was estimated. So we're looking at those jobs on a weekly basis, and I can give that to the sales guys to look at that and say, okay, are we 25% complete in this project? Are we 50% complete? Because this is where the labor is, and then we manage the project that way. We use a service tech efficiency report, and we'll take that report and do that on a monthly basis. And I usually won't make a decision on a monthly basis on those, but I will look at a quarterly basis. And if I see a technician's profitability going way down, that allows us to be able to have that conversation with the service manager with that technician and saying, what are you doing here? You're not charging the right amount or what? And that allows the service manager to start looking at some of his tickets and evaluate what he's doing different than the rest of the guys. So that service tech efficiency report really helps us out. Well, the union report is a big thing. It's a big help for us. It's a press of a button to fill out the union report. The guy just takes the totals and transfers that to the union form. So that's one that we use on a monthly basis to report to our union. One thing that is always important is support, and we never have a problem. We have a problem with something, we call, we get an answer right away. Might have to call you back, it might be an hour or something, but if we say, hey, this is critical, we got to get payroll done, it seems to help, and we get a call back right away. So that's been a great partnership, because to me it's the service after the sale that makes a difference. And that's how we run our business, so it's nice to partner with somebody that feels the same way.